we'll guide you through how to connect Google Calendar to Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To connect Google Calendar to Notion, start by opening your browser and going to the search bar so you can begin the setup process. Type 𝗟𝗏𝗘 in the search bar and wait for the results to load. Then select the first web option that appears on the screen. When the site opens, log in or sign into your 𝗟𝗏𝗘 account so you can access its tools. Inside the dashboard, choose Add New Widget from the menu and select Google Calendar from the available options. Give your calendar a name so you can identify it later, then press Continue to load the setup screen. At this point, you will be asked to sign into your Google account. So log in to give 𝗟𝗏𝗘 access to your calendar data. After signing in, your Google Calendar will appear in the preview section on the right side of the screen. Once you confirm everything looks correct, copy the link generated by 𝗟𝗏𝗘 so you can use it inside Notion. Next, open a new tab in your browser and go to the search bar, then type Notion and press Enter. When the results appear, select the first web option and wait for the page to load fully. Log in or sign into your account so you can access your workspace. After you are inside Notion, press the New Page button in the top right corner to create a fresh page. Give your new page a name so it is easy to find later. Inside the main section of your page, type /embed to bring up the embed block option. When the embed menu appears, paste your 𝗟𝗏𝗘 link into the link section and press embed to load the calendar. After a short loading time, your Google Calendar will appear inside your Notion page and will be fully visible for use. The embed works because 𝗟𝗏𝗘 acts as a bridge between Google Calendar and Notion, allowing the calendar to be displayed in real time inside your workspace. Once it is loaded, any updates made in Google Calendar will also reflect inside Notion automatically. If the calendar does not appear immediately, give it a moment to finish syncing. This setup makes it easier to manage your schedule directly inside Notion without switching between apps.